Up your burgers this summer by topping them with this bacon jam. It's super easy to make. All I'm doing is chopping up about a pound of bacon and throwing it into a cold pan so that I can render off all the fat. When the bacon's done, remove it from your pan along with a little bit of the grease and throw your onions in there. Take your time caramelizing these. You want it to develop a really golden brown color. When they are all caramelized, add in some balsamic vinegar, your bacon, and a little bit of water. Keep reducing it down. It is so good. If you try it, tag me and let me know what you think.